We are now in the last stages of a 10-year tale, with 3 of those 4 lawsuits resolved and Ripple Labs retaliating in response to requests for summary judgment on Friday, December 2. We will examine if an ICO for XRP could raise the cryptocurrency's price in today's video. But first, let me tell you the story again before we go any farther. Follow me through to the conclusion to learn more. Check out this new video right now if you think this sounds like something you'd be interested in. We are announcing that 200 XRP will be given away on this channel. All you have to do to be eligible to participate is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment using the hashtag XRP. The winner will be revealed on October 15th. The narrative starts with abandoned efforts. The narrative starts with long-forgotten projects like Mastercoin and Counterparty, explodes into the public eye with projects like Ethereum, and is currently dying slowly as American cryptocurrency engineers flee their own nation in search of better opportunities overseas. Like Mastercoin and Counterparty, was thrust into the public eye by initiatives like Ethereum, and is currently slowly perishing as U.S. cryptocurrency developers flee the homeland in search of better opportunities overseas. As many may have predicted, Ripple's defeat would be extremely symbolic. One of the biggest and most established cryptocurrency initiatives in the world is the corporation and the protocol that goes along with it. Practically everyone knows who XRP is. When Ripple was established in 2012, the phrase initial coin offering was non-existent. Enforcement steps against the little cryptocurrency business at the time were also not taken. In actuality, the Airfox and Paragon initial coin offerings, ICOs, were the first to receive an announcement from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on an alleged registration violation until November 2018. It should be noted that Ripple's network began operations on January 1, 2013, which is approximately 6 years ago. In addition to being one of the top 10 coins by market capitalization for almost 10 years, the Ripple project introduced a novel consensus mechanism at a time when other blockchain coordination strategies were still in their infancy. Using a unique consensus process, Ripple votes round-robin until 80% of the nodes in the list, known as the UNO or Unique Node List, agree on which transactions should be added to the end of a chain. This is comparable to a model that is currently more widely recognized as delegated proof of stake, but without the stake. Similar strategies are used by Tendermint and Cosmos for this voting procedure. However, they do not use the UNL and are noticeably more decentralized. Proponents of Ripple asserted that the round-robin method has the advantage of allowing the network to handle a large number of transactions at a significantly reduced cost. Critics point out that it is not fully decentralized and that it necessitates a higher level of trust as drawbacks. Fortunately, Ripple's legal issues are more related to the coins than the system. 100 billion XRP tokens were created during the inception of Ripple Labs, or its precursor OpenCoin company. These tokens were then given to the company's executives and employees, while the remaining tokens were sold into the larger cryptocurrency markets to finance Ripple Labs' operations. There was a heated discussion at the time on whether tokens issued in this way qualified as securities. Token sales have been viewed by some crypto entrepreneurs as a potential instrument for crowdfunding and a loosely governed form of governance. Many attorneys, including well-known attorneys, were among those who believed that the SEC would finally come to its senses and take action against the practice. It turns out that the doubters were correct. This leads us to the major topic of discussion for the day. Will Ripple's ICO be successful, and will it raise the price of XRP? Will Ripple's ICO be successful, and will it raise XRP's price? Please remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel in order to be the first to know about any changes regarding the most recent events related to XRP. According to the SEC, Ripple raised $1.3 billion by selling XRP, which was an investment contract, between 2013 and 2020. In what should be the final exchange of blows, or at least one of the final shots fired, between the SEC and Ripple on December 2, a court in the Southern District of New York will make another ruling about the legality of a token project. In this instance, business lawyer Stuart Alderoty reduced Ripple's case to a single sentence on Twitter, which was essentially denial. Among other reasons, he contended that the tokens were sold for consumptive use and that there is no formal contract between Ripple and XRP buyers, hence there is no investment contract. For its side, The SEC asks the court to look beyond boilerplate disclaimers to the facts as they stand, including who purchased tokens and how they were used. The SEC makes at least 15 references to the economic reality of Ripple's transactions. The original initial coin offering, XRP, an early example of an ICO that failed miserably, was Kick Interactive. To drastically decline was Kick Interactive. Kick began as a little-used chat software and made the switch to cryptocurrency during the height of the first major ICO frenzy in 2017. Kick did not have a valid registration statement when it offered tokens to the general public directly. After the SEC filed a lawsuit, Kick lost a petition for summary judgment 16 months later. The next victim of the SEC was Telegram. Russian millionaire Pavel Durov invented the well-known messaging program Telegram, which is purportedly encrypted. Notably, Telegram doesn't make any money at all, even though it's one of the most popular messaging programs worldwide. To address this, throughout the course of 2018, Telegram issued and sold an incredible $1.7 billion worth of cryptocurrency tokens through a variety of private fundraising transactions and private placements. The primary way that Telegram and Kick Interactive were different was that the former sold tokens to wealthy and foreign investors through private placements, who would then likely sell them to American retail buyers. A few days before to the tokens being distributed, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Telegram and secured an urgent restraining order that put a stop to the token conversion. The SEC would prevail swiftly in this case, as well on a move for a preliminary injunction. The official Telegram token project was abandoned right away. However, it has since continued in different, unrelated incarnations. Pronounce Library. LBRA was the second project to be shelved. With decentralized monetization capabilities, LBRA reimagines YouTube and aims to address the issue of politically driven filtering at firms like Google and Facebook. In a real application, the token carried out an actual function. However, it was decided that selling that token qualified as an offering of investment contracts. In New Hampshire, LBRA also lost a move for summary judgment, similar to what happened in Kick Interactive and Telegram. LBRA Incorporated will likely be dead in the near future, according to LBRI. One of the top trading platforms for blockchain technology is Fairdesk. Of all the proof of staking protocols available, it has the most validators protecting all of your activities. Technical and marketing solutions are just two of the industry projects that Fairdesk Labs is dedicated to assisting. They debuted the new VIP structure this week, ranging from V1 to V9. Users may now enjoy the lowest trading fee rate in the business at Fairdesk. In the meantime, there is no VPN or KYC need, and Fairdesk is ranked among the top 30 exchanges by CoinMarketCap. Now, your account will be upgraded to VIP 5 if you deposit and trade on Fairdesk during the next 7 days.